And what we are supposed to do now is to check whether this angle here can be 90 degrees. That means we want to check whether the angle PRQ can be 90 degrees. And the strategy is this. We will first find the vector PR. Then we will find the vector QR. And after that, we will try to do a dot product between these two vectors and to check whether it is possible for the result of the dot product to be equal to 0. Because if it is possible to be equal to 0, that means it is possible for this angle here to be 90 degrees. Let's start. Let's find the vector PR. R is a point that is on this line LC, which represents the cable C. So the position vector of R can be represented by this. So lambda of 3, 1, minus 2. This will give us the chance to find the vector PR, because PR is OR, which is 3 lambda, lambda and minus 2 lambda, minus away OP, which is 1, 2, minus 1. And this is going to be equal to 3 lambda minus 1, lambda minus 2, and 1 minus 2 lambda. We will also be able to find the vector QR. QR will be OR, which is 3 lambda, lambda and minus 2 lambda, minus away OQ. OQ will be 5, 7 and minus 3. So QR will be 3 lambda minus 5, lambda minus 7, and 3 minus 2 lambda. Let's try PR dot QR. PR dot QR will be 3 lambda minus 1, lambda minus 2, 1 minus 2 lambda. This dot 3 lambda minus 5, lambda minus 7, and 3 minus 2 lambda. And it will be this times this, which is 3 lambda minus 1 multiplied by 3 lambda minus 5. And then this times this, lambda minus 2 times lambda minus 7 plus this times this, 1 minus 2 lambda, 3 minus 2 lambda. When I expand this, I get 9 lambda square minus 18 lambda plus 5. Then when I expand this, I will be getting a lambda square minus 9 lambda plus 14. And then when I expand this, I will be getting a 3 minus 8 lambda plus 4 lambda square. And simplifying what we have gotten so far, it will be 14 lambda square minus 35 lambda plus 22. But what is our aim? Our aim is to check whether it is possible for PR dot QR to be equal to 0, which means that what we need to do now is to check whether it is possible for this quadratic expression here to be equal to 0. And to do that, let's carry out a completing square to this quadratic expression. Let me factorize out 14, which will then give me a lambda square minus 35 over 14 lambda within the bracket here plus 22. I'm going to complete the square for this, which will be lambda minus 35 over 28 square minus 35 over 28 square plus 22. This will be 14 lambda minus 35 over 28 square. Evaluating the rest is going to give me a plus 1 over 8 here. And now let's analyze this expression over here. Can you see that this entire expression here will always be bigger or equal to 0? Because this is going to be bigger or equal to 0 times 14. It will make this entire expression bigger or equal to 0. Then we are going to plus 1 over 8 to this entire expression, which means that this entire expression here is going to be bigger or equal to 1 over 8, which makes it impossible for it to be equal to 0. That is why it is not possible for PR dot QR to be equal to 0, which means that it is not possible for this angle here to be 90 degrees.